I wanted to become a coach because, first of all, I went through my own difficulties with my own child, and I'm a therapist. And through that process, I really realized that therapists aren't trained to do the work, the coach work, to help families and help parents learn how to really connect with their kids. And I really want to change that. My experience with the coaching program was such a full one and so much deep knowledge and exercises and self discovery and things that can be applied in my own practice and how the program works and the different programs that are offered. It's so full and there's so much. And it was just a really great experience. I have gained an amazing tool to be able to integrate into my own practice and help parents also to be able to refer to all of the different programs that are just so in depth that I don't have to actually do in the practice. I can just refer to. The process of coaching is different than the one of therapy. And it was a really impactful experience and learning for me, and really learning to approach that relationship from a point of inquiry and really going after the emotion as opposed to the therapeutic model, which is a combination of education and then application of tools. This one, it just goes straight into what's your reason and then what's the emotion. And I feel like that is going to be an amazing integration into my practice. I would recommend the coach training program because there's really nothing else like it out there to help families and parents learn how to really first love themselves unconditionally so then they can love their kids unconditionally and really open the way for the kids to come back, for the families to be united even beyond divorce. No one knows how to deal with that experience right now, and it's an epidemic. And I think what Dorcy and the Conscious Co-Parenting program are doing is amazing and so needed. Anyone who's interested in helping clients learn how to reconnect with their kids or even family members, anyone who may be contemplating divorce or even wanting to just learn how to co parent with someone that they are very different from, but especially therapists, schools, lawyers, anyone in the professional field who may be dealing with divorce and how to handle high conflict divorce, especially. Everyone needs this training to start to change the dynamic and bring more health and healing and cohesiveness to the families.